This is a quick tutorial on how to access Skyward and fill out your child's beginning of the year paperwork. If you start by going to dcstn.org, which is the Dickson County Schools homepage, and you scroll down on the homepage to this middle blue bar, there is a Skyward icon, and you click the Skyward icon and it'll open up the login screen. This is what it looks like on a Chromebook or a desktop computer or a regular laptop. So that's what this will look like here. If you're doing it on a phone, it's going to look a little different. So let's look at this first. So you're in the Skyward login screen and you're going to put in your login ID. Now, if you have forgotten or you don't know your login ID and your password, you can click this button, Forgot Your Login, and you enter in a username if you know that but not your password, or you can enter in your email address. If you can't remember which email, you may have to try a couple of different ones because it's going to register to whatever email is already in the Skyward system for your child. If you have trouble just logging in, if you've tried several things and it's still not working, please contact your school's secretary. So once you have your login ID and your password, you're going to enter it into the login screen and log in. Now, I am a teacher in Dickson County Schools, so my page may look a little different than yours, but the words you're looking for are family access. So mine is right up here where it says family access, right up here in the corner, and I'm going to click on family access. When I open up family access, it's going to give me several options on the left-hand menu. If you have a child that you are wanting to enroll for the first time or re-enrolling in Dickson County Schools, then you will click on this first button, New Student Online Enrollment. Your child did not go to a Dickson County school last year. If your child has gone to a Dickson County school last year, you will update current student information. So my children went to Dickson County schools last year, so I'm going to click Update Current Student Information on the left-hand screen. Then this will open up a drop-down menu. If you only have one child in Dickson County schools, only one child will be listed. If you have multiple children in Dickson County schools, all of your children should be listed in the drop-down. So you will have to fill out the paperwork electronically for each child. So I'm going to start with my first child. And over on the right-hand side, if you notice, you're going to get a list of all the different paperwork that you need to complete online. So what's great is if you've already done this electronically last year, all you're doing is going over the information and making sure that it still applies. If you did not do it last year, you're starting from scratch and you'll need to fill in all the paperwork. When you finish on a page, at the bottom, it will say complete step and move to the next step. Or you can complete this step and stop and come back to it later. Your information will be saved. As you work through each one of these papers, it will send you to the next one until you come down to the bottom and finally see complete updating current student information. This step 21 is absolutely crucial because that is you physically turning in that paperwork. So please make sure that when you're done filling out these forms at the top, you submit them on number 21. If you try to submit before all your paperwork is done, it will tell you exactly what is not completed and needs to be completed. And this bottom button will be grayed out. Once you have filled in everything, then it will be able to submit and you'll see where you can click this. Right now I can't because I haven't filled everything out. You also have the option to close and finish later. So if you decide to close out because you don't have time to do it all right now, that's totally fine. You can always get back in and pick up where you left off. I hope that this helps you. If you have any questions, again, please contact your school secretary. Thank you so much and good luck.